In this video, I'm going to break down how you can connect with your customers by using Drift. If you've never heard of Drift before, it's a chatbot. If you ever go to a website and you see those chatbots that come at the bottom and they say, "How can I help you?" or something like that, that's a chatbot. So let's come here. We're going to go on Google. We're going to type in Drift like this. Okay, so this is their website. You can use any chatbot, really. For this example, we're going to use Drift. That's the one I've been using. You can use any chatbot, but I'm going to break down to you why chatbots are so useful and so important. So if you come here, you see here, you click on this, and then you can be able to chat with this bot. But the best part about Drift is if you come here, so this is one of my accounts here. On this dashboard, you see all the conversations. So in real time, you put the app on your phone. Let me just pull it up. You can put the app on your phone, and that way, as soon as somebody sends a message to you, it will immediately come up on your phone, and you can talk to them quickly. Let's see here. Drift, okay. So if you come here, this is all the messages. So as soon as somebody sends you a message on your phone, it will come on here, and then you can talk with the customer in real time. Let's say you're not even at the office, you're way somewhere. Somebody comes to your website, you have this chatbot, and they say, "I want to learn more about your services." Now, normally, if they send you an email, you might only check your emails twice a day. Let's say it's at nighttime somewhere, so you're not checking your emails the next day. That's 12 hours. By then, they could have already gone to a different company. But if you have a chatbot, they click on the chatbot and they say, "I want to know more about your business." The alert immediately comes to your phone. So all you have to do is come in here. "Hi, how can I help you?" The conversation comes up, you just start messaging with your customers. So it's a great way to have that quick communication with your customers. So an example is here. This is one of the tools that we worked on. But you see here that we have a chat bot here. So if you click on this and then you type something, it will immediately, as soon as you type in something, you click enter, it's going to immediately come up on the phone, and then you can just respond right back to you. So that's the good thing about using these chatbots, is that it allows you to be quick and close to your customers, that they don't have to send a message and then wait 12, 24 hours for an email response. That quickly, with these chatbots, you can have conversations with your customers, have this kind of close relationship with them. And of course, it can help drive revenue, because if you think about it, if your customers have to wait a long time for a solution to their problem, they're going to go somewhere else. But with this chatbot, if you can talk to them in real time, any chatbot, again, not Drift, but any chatbot, you can put this on your website and talk to them quickly in a couple of seconds, answer their questions, solve their problems, and continue to grow a helpful business that people are happy with. So that's basically why chatbots are so helpful. You put this on your website. And if you're looking for help installing a chatbot, if you want to put a chatbot on your website, you have other questions, any other technical issues, you want to see other ways we can improve the website, just come to our website, zikudo.info. Once you hit the website, what I would recommend doing is coming here to start here. Short little video explaining what it is that we do, how we can help you, our services, that sort of thing. So you can come here, watch this video, and then after you click learn more. You can learn a bit more our services here. Our contact is zikudo.tech@gmail.com. If you want to send us an email, that's where you can reach out to us at. And then, of course, you can see our work, our process. So if you need help, once again, adding a chat bot, if you want to see ways you can improve your website, so feel free to send us an email at zikudo.tech@gmail.com or visit our website, and I'll try to respond back to you and see how I can help you out.